These are some of the components which I purchased from a local agro-tech shop for setting up a drip irrigation program for my plants. I grow a little bit of plants at home, mostly vegetable plants and some garden plants as well. So I am trying to set up a drip irrigation for my plants on a DIY basis. This is a dripper or emitter which is connected to a 6mm pipe, drip irrigation pipe. For ham radio operators, there is another use for this, for making ladder line. I have also an intention to make a ladder line using this. These can be used as the steps of the ladder in a ladder line. That was one of the reasons why I thought of building a drip irrigation system. From the surplus material, I could homebrew a ladder line. This is a 16mm connector for interconnecting pieces of 16mm drip irrigation pipes. This one particularly has a valve. You can shut it or open it as needed. This is a 16mm T connector for joining 16mm pipes for drip irrigation. Close-up of a dripper. This portion goes to this pipe and the other portion is where you have the dripping. And this is having a capacity of 2 liters per hour. There are drippers available with capacities of 4 liters per hour and 8 liters per hour, but I have not bought them. This is a 16mm connector without a valve or stopcock. This is a 6mm pin connector. I'll zoom in. And this part can go into this 6mm drip tube. The other side can go into a 16mm, not 6mm pipe to create branches. And this is a punching device, sharp one, which can be used to punch holes in the 16mm main line of the drip irrigation system. And once this hole is punched, this pin connector can be introduced in the 16mm pipe, and from that 16mm pipe you can take branch connectors like this to drippers. And the connection will not be so short as this. To show that, for a demonstration, I am using small piece of 6mm pipe and dripper and the 6mm pin connector as well as the punching tool.